Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. Welcome. I know it's been a while. I know many people will be asking themselves what's going on. Guys, I've been so busy. That's why I have not dropped a video for the past 3 weeks. Yeah, so while I will not talk much, I've been busy. I've been away for a while. So my next video, or the video you are about to see right now, is medium single braid. So since I began making videos, I always style my hair. I always spend much time styling my hair. So from now henceforth, I had decided that I will be doing braid. I will be doing braid a few times, not just styling, and also to put on wigs sometimes. Guys, you will see that this video is a little bit different from others. The other videos I used to stand up, but right now I'm sitting down. So when I want to show you my back, I will have to turn around. I will have to stand around for you to see. So pretty much that is what I have to tell you. Now you will grade me for this my braid, please. I know it will look crazy for some people. For some others, they will like, oh, she did try. No, people view things in different ways. People have different mentality, different way of seeing things. Okay, so that's what I have for this video. I apologize again for being away for a while. I've been very busy. I've been very busy. You can actually tell that my background is different. Now you can tell that I wasn't around, or I'm not around. For those who know me, I'm not where I used to be. But it's okay. People are meant to travel. People are meant to go to places. People are meant to move, and so on and so forth. No one was born to stay on one place. No, this is all I can tell you guys. There are many ways of braiding. You can either do this way, or you use a crochet way, or the crochet style, right? Or you could start by braiding your own hair, then you start adding up extensions. So there are many ways of starting up a single braid. Along the line, as I was braiding, I had to like show you my braid, my complete braid. I have to like video my complete braid after like 2 or 3 days. No, I had forgotten to make a video of my complete braid the same day I did it. That is why you will see it a little bit rough, but it's still good. It's still gonna look good anyway. It is a no gel, no band single braid. Most often when I do my hair, I always add up gel. So few times I will be doing it without the gel. Gel is not gonna be used. I'm not gonna be using the gel all the time. Then you can also tell that part of the video, some areas in the video, my image was a little bit all the way back. My image is actually hiding away from the viewers. That I didn't realize until when I had edited. I had put on everything together, but that notwithstanding, you will still all be tracking what I'm doing. Guys, please don't hesitate to like, share, subscribe. No, don't forget to tell a friend like other content creators will say, don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend that I just dropped a video. Do as much as possible to help me tell somebody I just did a roughly messy single braid. Like he or she should come online to see how I managed to do it to do it. So that is all I have for now. As always, like I've been telling you in my other videos, I'm not that too good to do lines in the horizontal way. You can actually tell that my horizontal line at the bottom is not that too straight. I'm just a little bit, I just try my best to do a straight line when I get to the top. But at the back side, at the back, it's just God that knows best how he helps us to do this without us us having an eye behind the head. So that's why some areas, some people do have like a mirror, but if you are in a house, or your house is in a way that you can't like put a mirror somewhere, no, there's no option there. That's all we have to do. Guys, it's just a messy, roughly kind of braid. Like, just want to see how I can do something after a long while. No, it's been a while, because most often I've been spending my time styling, twisting, styling, twisting, styling, twisting. So when it comes to a certain hairstyle that I haven't done for a while, it will be a little bit messy, look messy, or a little bit challenging. But that's notwithstanding, like I said, the more we do something, the more we get used to it, the more it gets better. Yeah, it gets better as time goes on. You don't just get better at like one time, or at the first time, or whatever. But just grade me, tell me how I did it. Just tell me how I did, okay? Oh, let's keep watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Throw your comment, sorry. Tell a friend to tell a friend that I just did something. Let he or she come online to watch the crazy or the good thing I did. I call it good because it's good for me and for some people. For those who know me pretty well, yeah, you saw me doing my fingers that way. You will have to learn how to switch around. No, when you braid, you should like think of like if you have to calculate how to switch your braid around. That way it won't be twisted. It's a little bit complicated. Like doing your own hair, it's challenging. Like, no, you gotta appreciate those who are actually sitting down to do their own hair. It's actually really challenging. Imagine if you're not used to doing this. When you start doing it, your arms will tell you a lot of story. You'll feel a lot of pains. That's what I mean by your arms will tell you a lot of story. Okay, guys, let's keep watching then. I love you. I told you earlier, it's easier to do the front part than the back side, because the back side, it's easier because you can see what you're doing. Then you will be surprised that my eyes always on the camera. Guess what? My mirror, my newly bought mirror just got broken. The mirror I just bought just got broken. So you should be surprised seeing me looking at my camera. My camera, I use it like a mirror too, to watch myself. Yeah, this is what I did, watching at the camera. And you'll be surprised that why does she keep looking at the camera? Why does she keep looking at the camera? And she's... So on one side I had to do the red wine. It's like a style, a good style for myself. I did one side, 3/4 of my hair purplish, and the 1/4 of my hair, it was with red wine. All right, okay, let's keep watching. Fantastic. So pretty much that's all I have for you today. Watching the video, I'm actually concluding, but please watch to the end. That way you can see how the hair finally ended up to be. Yeah, but don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to share. Please don't forget to share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. All right, tell a friend to tell a friend, and then wait for my next video. And then, yeah, because my next video I'm planning to do still a single braid. That will be like a small single braid. This one is actually big or large or medium size single braid. All right, bye bye. That's what I have.